Hi, I'm Keith Klesner with the Uptime Institute. I'm the Senior Vice President of North America, and I lead our technical and commercial teams in the US and Canada. The Uptime Institute is a global data center authority with the deep knowledge and experience in the data center business, and we're teaming up with Data Center Dynamics, who are the global leader in data center and infrastructure events. And in 2018, we've agreed to work together to reach the most end users and impact the industry as best we can. So Uptime Institute launched the Uptime Institute Research, which will offer insights to end users and development and change and all the different changes that are going on in the data center business. So we're excited about that. Andy Lawrence is leading that practice and comes to us from our sister company 451. We see it as a great opportunity. We have a session this afternoon and it's talking about Uptime Institute and our work with end users and the challenges that they're facing. They're end users that have a legacy infrastructure, but they're all migrating, right? Their IT organizations demand that they can agility so that they can move to different deployment models, and so that's taking them to colo, it's taking them to other service providers, and how can they work with their legacy infrastructure and create a hybrid IT environment. And this isn't just the magic that you can create when you're a brand new startup, but what happens when you're an enterprise with a bunch of assets and a bunch of compute and a business model that relies upon continuing to perform while changing at the same time. Well, DCD here in Toronto is a growing data center market. It's vibrant, and so we have vendors, we have end users, we have service providers in the space here sharing and interacting and learning. So some fantastic sessions, and I think it's valuable content for the community. The great thing about these events that Data Center Dynamics puts on is it does bring a diversity of opinion and a perspective, and it gets a chance to get together and share those ideas, and clearly the networking opportunity that everyone can have to better understand other parts of the industry and learn, because we all have to get better and adapt to the change in the industry. We're very excited to collaborate with Data Center Dynamics. Uptime Institute brings a great deal of content and end user and certification insight to the data center world. And then for Data Center Dynamics, they're the premier provider of infrastructure events globally. And we're very pleased to work together to provide content into that and to meet more end users and collaborate.